If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your sales and get the most out of your meta advertising, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to create a winning sales campaign using Meta Ads Manager. Let's get started. All right, we're now in the Meta Business Manager. To go to the Ads Manager, from the left sidebar, click Ads Manager and then Campaigns. The first step is to click the green Create button. Since we're going to use the sales objective, let me quickly explain the purpose of each objective. Awareness. Reach a wider audience. Traffic. Drive website visits. Engagement. Increase interactions. Likes, comments, shares. Leads. Collect potential customer information. App promotion. Get more app downloads and engagement. Sales. Generate purchases or conversions. We'll choose the sales objective. This tells Meta we want to drive purchases on our website, app, or through messaging. Click Continue. Now Meta offers two setup options. A pre-built template called Advantage Plus that comes fully configured for a sales campaign, and a manual sales campaign. The manual option gives us greater control over individual elements such as audience targeting and age groups. Let's go with the manual. Now let's name our campaign. I recommend something descriptive. Under Special Ad Categories, select If Applicable. For most of us, we can leave this blank. The campaign objective is set to Sales, as mentioned earlier, so no adjustments are needed. Instead of using campaign budget optimization, we're going to turn this off and use ad set budgets. This means we'll set a budget for each individual ad set, giving us more granular control over where our money is spent. Here's the key difference. With campaign budget optimization, Meta automatically distributes your budget across your ad sets based on which it thinks will perform best. While this can be efficient, it gives you less direct control. With ad set budgets, you decide exactly how much to spend on each audience segment. This is useful when you have specific hypotheses about which audiences will convert better, or if you want to test different budget allocations. For example, if you have two ad sets, one targeting a broad audience and one targeting a very specific niche, you might choose to allocate a larger budget to the niche audience initially to see how it performs. The campaign setup is complete. Let's move on to the ad set. The ad set is where you define who sees your ads, where they see them, and how much you're willing to spend. Getting this right is crucial for maximizing your ROI. First, let's name your ad set for easy remembrance. In the Conversion Locations section, we need to select the website as our destination. This ensures that our ads drive traffic and conversions directly to our site. The website option is designed to directly track and optimize for sales and conversions that happen on your website. This is where you have complete control over the customer journey, from product discovery to purchase. Under the Performance Goals section, ensure that Maximize Number of Conversions is selected. This setting helps optimize your campaign to generate the highest possible conversions efficiently. Under the Dataset section, select your Meta Pixel. The Meta Pixel is a tracking tool that collects data on user interactions with your website, helping you measure ad performance, optimize campaigns, and retarget visitors. Next, under the Conversion Event section, select Purchase. This is the basic conversion event that Meta has pre-built for you. If you haven't set up custom conversion events yet, you can simply use this default option to track sales effectively. If you're unsure how to create and activate a Meta Pixel, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a dedicated video on it. Leave the cost per result field empty and let Meta determine the best cost based on your campaign's performance and budget. This allows Meta to optimize your ads for the best possible results. Finally, let's set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget. A daily budget spreads your spending evenly throughout the day, while a lifetime budget lets you set a total amount for the entire campaign duration. I'll choose a daily budget and set it to 1,000 Pakistani rupees. You can view the estimated reach and conversions in the right panel. You also need to set your start and end dates. A good ad runs for at least 5 to 7 days. Any campaign shorter than 3 days may not deliver impressive results because Meta needs time to learn and optimize your ad for the best possible outcomes. A successful ad set requires precise location targeting. Instead of selecting all of Pakistan, I'll focus on 3 major cities: Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. Leave everything else as it is unless you want to set an age limit. Now, it's time to bring your campaign to life with engaging and high-converting ad creatives. Your ad creatives are what your audience sees first. They're the visual and textual elements that capture attention and drive clicks. First, let's set up the ad name. Partnership ads, previously known as branded content ads, allow advertisers to run ads using a partner's content, such as an influencer, brand collaborator, or retailer. This type of ad leverages the credibility and audience of a partner while benefiting from Meta's powerful ad targeting and optimization. Whether to keep partnership ads on or off depends on your advertising strategy. If you are running ads solely for your own business, then you don't need a partner's content. In the identity section, select the Facebook and Instagram pages where you want your ad to appear. In the Creative Source section, choose the manual option. This section lets you choose how your ad is displayed: single image, video, carousel, collection, or let Meta decide. Ultimately, the best format depends on your specific goals and preferences. In this case, I am going to use carousel because it's the optimal format for this specific product line. This is where you set the website link people go to after clicking your carousel ad. Let me enable the ad preview so we can ensure it looks perfect for our audience, and I'll be using the specific store link for this. Same for the display link. This section, Browser Add-ons, lets us add a contact button directly within the ad, making it easier for potential customers to connect with us. I've chosen WhatsApp, which will add a button allowing people to instantly text. Your ad creatives are what your audience sees first. As you can see, it says we need to add at least 2 cards, and right now we have 0. So I'm going to add some cards right now. You can choose from image cards or video cards. It's completely your call based on what you think will resonate best with our audience. We can use media we've already uploaded, or upload brand new content. For the headline of this first card, I'm going to copy the product title directly from the website. For the description, I'm going to add the product price. This is crucial because it gives potential buyers instant information about the cost. And most importantly, I'm going to include the direct product URL. This means when someone clicks on this ad card, they'll be taken directly to that product's page on our website, streamlining the purchase process. Let me add another card real quick. Alright, we're now at the primary text and call to action sections. The primary text is where we tell people what our ad is all about. To maximize our chances of success, I'm actually going to add 3 different versions of the primary text. This lets Meta's algorithm test which one performs best with our target audience and optimize for the most effective message. And for the call to action, since we're selling products and want people to make a purchase, I'm going to change Learn More to Shop Now. And that's how you create a successful Meta Ads campaign for your products. Remember, testing and optimization are key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with other business owners. See you in the next video. See you later, alligator.